welcome back to the channel. This is a quick video on repairing my broken hugger. This is the hugger from my SV1000, and as you can see here, the fixing lug is cracked and broken. So what I'm going to try and do is repair that. So I've got myself a thing of JB Weld Plastic Bonder, and I've made up some pieces to act as inserts. So I've got here a little bit of plastic that I've heated up that can mould to the inside surface, and I've got here a little plastic disc which I actually took from the plug end of a mountain bike handlebar. So I'm going to basically attempt to plastic weld these two pieces together to hopefully form a decent join, and I can drill a hole through those. Job done. That's the idea, so let's get stuck into it. First we want to pour out some of the mixing the two parts together. So this says it sets in 15 minutes. So this piece here that I've kind of just made up, it's a little bit rough and ready, but I'm hoping that by putting some of this on there, and then what I'm going to do is glue it push that onto there. I'm going to leave that for 15 minutes, come back to it and see how it looks. So that has now set. Looks quite good, pretty solid. So what I'm going to do now is glue this disc onto this side just to finish it off, and hopefully we'll be good to go. I don't want this glue to kind of squidge out the sides and make it look ugly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply to get to there. Trick is going to be to try and keep it looking neat. Okay, let's hope that's enough. So what I want to do, before I clamp now, I might just leave it for a few minutes. So I'm just going to leave that to cure, and then I'll drill the hole through the centre, and hopefully we'll have it fixed. So that is the finished result. Bring that closer to the camera. So I've got that feels fairly solid. Not the prettiest, I'll admit, but when it's on the bike, I don't think you'll even see it. So I've drilled a little hole in there that matches with the lug on the swing arm. So hopefully, only time will tell once I've fitted to the bike and covered a few miles, but I'm hoping that's actually solved my problem. Do leave a comment, let us know what you think. Yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.